Welcome to the GCSE Maths Advantage. I'm Dr. James Carter, and every episode I'm going to break down one topic, show you where the marks are, and give you a quick win you can use in your next exam. Whether you're targeting a grade 7 or pushing for a 9, let's get into it.
Hook. This one line cost more students marks than almost any other algebra question on last year's papers, and it's really avoidable. If you see x squared minus 4 over x minus 2 and you just cross out the x's or the 2's without thinking, you lose marks every time. Sound familiar?
Oh yes, I've seen that exact thing in a mock. I cancelled the 2's and felt clever, then the teacher frowned.
You're not alone. Today, we make that frown go away. We're going to turn algebraic fractions into a routine. Factorize first, only cancel common factors, always state exclusions, and check your answer. That's the promise. Let's work through this step by step.
The concept. What are algebraic fractions, and why do ordinary fraction rules still apply? Start with the idea that an algebraic fraction is just a fraction where the top or bottom, or both, are expressions with x in them. Everything you know about numbers, common denominators, cancelling factors, still applies, but you must respect the algebraic structure.
Example 1. Simplify x squared minus 4 over x minus 2. First step, factorize the numerator. X squared minus 4 is a difference of squares, so it becomes x minus 2 x plus 2. Now the fraction is x minus 2 x plus 2 over x minus 2. You can cancel the factor x minus 2, leaving x plus 2. But, and this is crucial, x cannot equal 2 because the original denominator would be 0. So the simplified expression is x plus 2 with x not equal 2. Say that every time you cancel.
From an examiner's point of view, the cancellation shown without the exclusion is technically a simplification, but you have lost an opportunity to show full mathematical clarity. Stating x doesn't equal 2 is quick and often part of method marks on higher papers. So the cancelling is allowed because we factorised first. It's not okay to cancel parts of a sum, right?
Exactly. You cannot cancel across addition or subtraction. For instance, with x plus 2 over x minus 2, you cannot cancel the x's. Cancelling only works on factors, things that are multiplied. That's the core rule to internalise. Now, combining algebraic fractions. Example 2. Work out 3 over x plus 1 plus 2 over x minus 1. The lowest common denominator is x plus 1 x minus 1. Rewrite each fraction so they share that denominator. 3x minus 1 over x plus 1 x minus 1 plus 2x plus 1 over x plus 1 x minus 1. Combine the numerators to get 3x minus 1 plus 2x plus 1 over the LCD. Expand, 3x minus 3 plus 2x plus 2 equals 5x minus 1. So the result is 5x minus 1 over x plus 1 x minus 1, with x not equal to minus 1 and x not equal to 1. Simple steps shown clearly.
When students write those intermediate steps, LCD, adjusted numerators, expansion, they make it easy for markers to award method marks. Missing a step makes it harder for you to pick up marks if you make an arithmetic slip later.
Exam technique. Here's exactly where the marks are. On a typical 3-mark question involving algebraic fractions, you'll usually see this scheme. M1 for recognizing and writing the correct common denominator, or for correct factorization, M1 for demonstrating the algebraic method, rewriting fractions, expanding or cancelling correctly, and A1 for the fully simplified answer, including correct exclusions where required. Write it down, don't just think it. If the question is simplify and state any restrictions, examiners expect the restrictions to be shown explicitly. If the instruction is not present, it's still good practice to state exclusions. It's evidence of higher level understanding and can be the difference between a 2-mark and a 3-mark response. Marks are there for the taking.
So even if I can't finish the arithmetic, showing the LCD and the substituted numerators can earn me a mark? Yes, a clear setup often nets you M1. Don't erase your work, leave a clear method for the examiner to follow. The quick win, a 10-second checklist you can run through under pressure. Say it aloud as you start every algebraic fractions question. 1. Factorize top and bottom. 2. Identify LCD. 3. Only cancel common factors, never terms added or subtracted. 4. State domain exclusions, values that make any original denominator 0. 5. Substitute one quick value that isn't excluded to check your final expression behaves the same. That's your 10-second routine. Don't skip the check.
How do I do the substitution check fast?
Pick a small integer that isn't excluded, say x equals 0 or x equals 2 if allowed, and evaluate both the original expression and your simplified answer. If they match, you're probably right. It only takes 10 seconds and it catches most careless errors.
Do this, not that. Do factorize fully before cancelling. Don't cancel pieces of sums. Do state exclusions. Don't assume cancelling is valid unless the factor appears multiplied across numerator and denominator. Practice walkthrough. Question 1. Timed style. Simplify x squared minus 9 over x squared minus 6x plus 9. Step 1. Factorize both. Numerator, x squared minus 9 equals x minus 3 times x plus 3. Denominator, x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals x minus 3 times x minus 3, or x minus 3 squared. Cancel 1 x minus 3. Result, x plus 3 over x minus 3, but exclusions, x not equals 3. Show your factorization for m1, show the cancel for the next m1, give the simplified form for a1, and write x not equals 3 for full clarity. Quick substitution. Pick x equals 4. Original value is 16 minus 9 over 16 minus 24 plus 9 equals 7 over 1 equals 7. Simplified gives 7 over 1 equals 7. Check passed. Common slip here, cancelling both x minus 3 factors entirely and then forgetting the exclusion, or cancelling incorrectly by removing an x from an x plus 3. Those are lost marks. Practice walkthrough. Question 2. Time style. Simplify 3 over x plus 2 minus 1 over x minus 1. Step 1. LCD is x plus 2 times x minus 1. Adjust numerators. 3x minus 1 minus 1x plus 2 over the LCD. Expand and combine. 3x minus 3 minus x minus 2 equals 2x minus 5. Final answer, 2x minus 5 over x plus 2 times x minus 1. State exclusions, x not equal minus 2 and x not equal 1. Mark map, M1 for LCD, M1 for combined numerator, M1 for simplification, A1 for final. If you show each line clearly, you bank those method marks even if arithmetic slips occur.
I like that. Knowing which lines win marks makes me less scared of getting stuck later.
That's your quick win for today. If this helped, share it with a friend who's revising. You'll find more worked solutions and revision resources at jcacademyonline.co.uk. Until next time, trust the process and nail that exam. Stay curious.